The N Broadway Express is a rapid transit service in the B division of the New York City subway. Its route emblem, or bullet, is colored yellow, since it uses the BMT Broadway line in Manhattan. The N operates at all times between Ditmars Boulevard in Astoria, Queens, and Coney Island Stillwell Avenue in Coney Island, Brooklyn via the BMT Astoria line in Queens, Broadway line in Manhattan, the south side of the Manhattan Bridge, and the BMT 4th Avenue line and BMT Sea Beach line in Brooklyn. North of 57th Street, limited rush hour service operates via the 2nd Avenue subway, originating and terminating at 96th Street in the Upper East Side, Manhattan, instead of Ditmars Boulevard. During the daytime on weekdays, the N runs express between 34th Street Herald Square in Manhattan and 59th Street in Brooklyn and local elsewhere. Local service in Manhattan is provided by the W, which is internally staffed and scheduled as part of the N. Weekend daytime service is the same as weekday service, except that the N makes all stops in Manhattan between 34th and Canal Streets. During late nights, the N makes all stops along its entire route and uses the Montague Street Tunnel to travel between Manhattan and Brooklyn. The N was originally the Brooklyn-Manhattan Transit Corporation's 4 service, running along the BMT Sea Beach line to the Manhattan Bridge. The 4 used the BMT Nassau Street line in Lower Manhattan from 1915 to 1917, after which it ran express on the BMT Broadway line. The 4 became the N in 1961. The N ran local in Queens along the IND Queens Boulevard line to Forest Hill 71st Avenue from 1976 until 1987. When it switched terminals with the R from 1986 to 2004, reconstruction on the Manhattan Bridge forced the N to run local on the Broadway line via the Montague Street Tunnel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.